Hello, my beauties. Welcome to another Halloween makeup idea. This idea is for all who want something quick, simple, but at the same time cool and pretty. First, I will start with a sketch with my face liner to see where my mask will be because I don't want to apply foundation all over my face. This space is really important because I can be free with the shape of my eyebrows and my eyeliner. So my eyeliner, what is wrong with me today? Be big and fat. So I will make it higher. Now it's much better. I will not use a lot of eyeshadows. I will use just one, and that's why I will first apply my foundation. But of course, face primer first. I want matte look, so today I will use HD Microfoundation from Kryolan. I will first apply my foundation with a brush and after that with Beauty Blender. I think this look I will do very fast. With a greasy black eyeliner, I will draw my eyebrows. And I want to make them high. I will fill them with a black eyeshadow. And now when I'm done with my eyebrows, I will apply eyeshadow base and this kind of beige tone from Kryolan palette. Now let's fix this part. Okay, let's add this eyeshadow. For this makeup look, I think you don't need any extra skills. If you do your eyes messy, even with your fingers, it's gonna look great. I got this eyeshadow palette a few days ago and I want to try it. So there's a white eyeshadow, so I think I will add this white here. Now I will blend with previous brush. Okay, for eyeliner I will use Inglot. I will first start with tiny brush. At the end I will use a bigger brush. This is very dramatic eyeliner. There is not too much space for concealer, but anyway I will add it. Setting my foundation with, oh, this one is new. I got this from Hean and it's rice powder invisible finish. Let's see how does it works. Oh, it's nice. It's really invisible. This one is my new, so I want to try. Son of Egypt baked powder. Yeah, it's nice. I have just my nose for highlighter. First I will do my lips with lip liner and after that with lipstick. So let's see, is it a red lipstick good for me or not? This is so strange for me. Me with red lipstick. Before I start to paint my mask with black body paint, I will use black crayon just to be sure. I don't want to mess up everything with the paint. I don't want to look that my mask is stick to my face. I want to make some 3D effects, so I will use this brown eyeshadow to make some shadows here and here. It's time for cuts and stitches, so I will use white eyeshadow to create the place where the stitches will be. I will also add white eyeshadow for edges. For the lightest parts, I will use Mehron white powder. Now I'm going back with black body paint to create lines over that white eyeshadow. Stitches finally with white body paint. Before this, everything was so empty to me. Now it makes sense. I'm using Urban Decay silver eyeshadow, and I think this is good as a highlight. Before I add the mascara, I want to put some eyelashes, but I'm not sure what kind. Creepy or beauty eyelashes. Let's put some beauty, but not too much, just to make my eyes more light blue. Wow! Okay, ooh, cool. Adding some mascara, and of course I will add eyelashes. Ooh, they're becoming bigger and bigger. Oh, I got these eyelashes last week from Aura, and I have a problem now which one to put. I will definitely use pink. I mean, pink. So me. And the wig. And the wig. But Catwoman has ears. I need to find my ears. Do I have ears at all? Beauties, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and share.